And if the police are watching, we not scam.
Not scam. It's just
a song.
You know what I mean? Just a
You
song.
see me? Yeah. We not scam. Yeah. We not scam at all.
Wait. Hello?
Did you say that?
What's going on YouTube? What's going on YT? Gang. You already know it's the boy KingYT and I'm back with another video today for you guys. I got my nigga.
Don't know Crazy Action TV.
Yes sir.
You see me?
And we drop a music video. So we're about to react to it. I'm making them know like what the process behind it and shit, you know what I mean? So hopefully you enjoy the video, you know what I mean? And go check out the music video. You know what I mean? Link I got it in the description, you know what I mean? So, yeah. Let's go. You already know what to do, man. Let's get it.
By the way, edit by, you don't know.
I didn't know. We edit this shit, so.
Yeah, everything we do, basically, by the way, yeah. We're independent. You see me say if you want, no music video for job, and you don't know, recording by Bushy.
Yeah.
You see another YouTuber, so everything we do.
Fellow YouTuber,
You see me? So yeah.
Grow own shit, you know. See if we can do something outside that where we are doing already, you see it? So
see if we can build up a platform, you see me?
yes sir.
So, anyways,
yeah. We show them what we want. Holy
moly. Okay,
that
work.
Yo, Dre.
Alright. Yeah. So yeah, so we did like one scene, right? I said, boy, let me go West End. He said, yo, let me go West End, you know, and figure out catch a pizza. Just know, say, yo, it kind of frightenish, you know.
Yeah.
But West End Union did lock too.
Yeah, they lock because of the alley there.
Yeah.
And people are driving looking like a
Yeah, you see me?
How we go? We roll with the 23 at the Puma. Yeah, me use some of the cool chair room. So we circling men's laugh like Joker. Ha ha. Pussy never already know him do it like Freddy. Yo, that know you want to about. I'm a friend, you must.
Before we go further, real quick, we never have enough scene because of like one little last minute something. You know
Yeah.
So that's why we do not really see like much like breakaway scene and them type of
And
shit.
different thing. I'm mind this are the first video. You see me? We just try something and we say, I don't do it. No one say, yo, one scene there and thing, but oh, you drop nothing. Eh? No. You drop anything? But yeah. No worry, man. More video will come. As I said, this is the first one.
First, I think so.
And we do like a scene by scene when you see. I must say, how much scene we do? 3 scenes?
3. No, wait. Carry one. We're talking about like on
The roof.
This
And this, yeah.
And the night.
And outside.
4
yeah.
scenes.
And mind you, all 4 of them done in a one day. No.
Well, that's done in a one
yeah,
day.
this done in a one
and
day.
And then in a night we just do in
we just say, yo, let me do one night scene.
Yeah. So basically, that's it. You see, if we have more little piece put on it.
We not even have no props or no. We just say, yo,
yes.
I do a little thing.
Because I would say this one last minute scene, I would just, record shit.
Yeah.
Not too London, bitch, I send cash, no one funds any. I wanna send the cash right now.
Western Union. Got the kid in my breezy. And you see the part where the car a roll. Big up to my cousin Neil, you know.
Yes,
He there one part of this, say, yo, oh yeah, he did the cameraman.
He did the cameraman.
You see me? So we say everything what we done in a really
circle.
You see me? We do everything by ourselves, brother. The camera, a YT camera. You see me? You just hit me up, brother. Just say, yo.
Just link with if you don't want no music video done. We shoot it, we edit it, just feel like a small price.
If you even for your birthday, you want like a birthday, like a video for post up, man. You see me?
Just show me, I got you.
You see me?
I got you.
You see me?
Yes, sir.
Anyways, I get it. So big up to Neil for the little part of that. It looks sick, you know? Yeah.
Pussy take it chop like yo, now. You know breezy, money every day, so fuck girl beat it. Gun from the side there, girl, say me need it. Bag, got 23 got 23, got to get in the front seat.
I have 23 girl. I can tell you guys, I don't know patterns, I mean, yeah.
Boy, lie, yo.
When shots start beat, man a bad man, most my head, them go along that white. Yeah, pussy feel lucky. Quick down, me and my friend make it up. The girl that hype up my friend, them fucky.
I lie.
Yeah, that never gone.
Probably.
Yeah, yo, they like just only 23 at the Puma.
Yeah, some little boy carry over. Yo, why the fire come here? Anyways, bucket every day, you know?
Pussy never ready, going blowing like Freddy.
You would have got you at that home. All I'm friend, they must scam now. Got to London.
Bitch, I said,
And if the police are watching, we not
Yeah,
scam.
not scam. It's just
A
a
song.
song. You know what I mean? Just a
You see
song.
me? Yeah. We not scam. Yeah. We not scam at all.
Wait. Hello?
Did you say that? Yo!
Let me get back at it.
Got the kid, let me breezy. Brr. Pussy take it chop like easy. What the fuck? Oh, you say you're rich, but you know so you're broke. Yo, if you want a girl, and some girl to that. You know, some girl that say, yo, they have money. And when you link them up, them broke.
Exactly that.
You see me that?
So,
Broke.
I waste my time and literally just have to, you know what I mean?
Just humble yourself.
Yeah.
Cause you can't say you're rich
Yeah.
and you're broke.
That's why we're not too hype in the media.
You see me?
We're not too hype.
You see
You know,
me?
if we don't have it, we don't have it. We don't show like so we have it. If we don't have it, we just a real now.
We just a rule. And if, even if you see one thing, just know it's your enjoyment.
Yeah, enjoy.
Yeah, and when you done, you put it back in our bank.
Yeah, for real.
That's why you don't see no money in yourself.
Then that's why we can't judge too
You
much.
see me?
Uptown girl said she want to fuck
And you
me.
don't say the team and the money up, girl want fuck. In the Benz at full speed up, got the key in the trunk. Boy, it boss. Got the money no, so you know the thing go. Man, I been go. Chop a line, I wanna give a go. Roll the 23 at the Puma.
You hear some little boy carry rumor.
I know, I say roll the 23, right? 23 for my foot.
Nah, forget your
But I
shoes.
forgot the Puma,
Nah,
bro.
forget the pool materiality.
But you see why? Because we need to the next scene and the day where we say with that.
Yeah,
Because things they come
as we say our last minute shit, so everything we just have to just
just work what we have. You see me? But as I say, probably you see one music video from YT soon.
me. Probably. I don't know.
That's a bit, oh you mean? Probably, you know,
Probably.
a bad man this you know.
Probably.
You see me? And probably you see one different one. But just stay tuned
Stay
between the two of our channel.
And the song yeah, literally a
Done-
pass party record
Yeah.
and shit. Like not
And it's
based
really
on-
done in a one
in
day.
a one night. In
a one night.
In a one night, literally.
Yeah, brother.
You see, like not never planned, not never write. Just a go with the flow and record. You see it, so you open and enjoy song.
Push in the works,
Yeah,
you know.
you put in work. You see it. So yeah.
Just enjoy the song, but enjoy this video and just enjoy the
Run
good
up the
time.
number
You
there for
see
the
me?
shit. Make we know so no one more song.
You
Make
see
we
me,
know so
bro?
one more video. You see it.
I do everything, I try everything, bro. Just tell me what you want, and we do it, brother. If you want prank anything you want, we do it. You see me? Anyways.
Give me some liquor boy carry rumor. So we circling men's love like Joker. Pussy never really knowing though like Freddy. Yo, that's what you want to talk about. All my friends, they must scam now. Push is still there.
Can't do a lock and dope in the car.
You can't do a lot with you?
Yeah, that gonna see.
I breeze. Me rotted.
Like yo fuck.
Yo, no worry.
Yo fuck.
I do magic.
Magic beat, you see it.
Chopping lifestyle magic, you know.
Voodoo.
Yeah, the voodoo. But, you see me? Just let me know when you like the video. You see me?
Comment down below on the video itself and on this I make you know if you like the video, you know what I mean? Cause I work, you see it, we are putting in work. Just because we not say nothing, that don't mean we not do nothing. You see?
Yeah, we are
Still
try
put in
everything,
work
we are
and
do a
shit.
little thing, we are try to do it. We see, you get song. If you don't get song, you get video.
Yeah, you see.
You see me? If you don't get video, you get something on Instagram.
Get something on Instagram or TikTok.
You
or
see me?
Something.
We are trying, brother.
Yeah.
So now if you just give you the motivation for continue the work.
That's I think to the motivation is easy. If you not see, we not say nothing, we not do nothing.
We not gonna do nothing. Exactly. We not gonna try if you do something, you know. But if you motivate, we say, yo, do. Although we not need a motivation from no man still.
Exactly.
You see me? But same way, show a little love. You see me, dog?
Like you know, one want to see next, I already know what it is, man. It's about KingYT.
Don't know Crazy Action TV. Bang, bang, bang.
Easy. And make sure you say, run up a video. All like social media, like the in the description. Comment on what to see next. And yeah, you already know what it is, man. The road to 2K. Run up a dog number to 1K.
We need 1K, you see me? Hurry up.
Hurry up and give that 1K. Easy pre. Yeah. You know what I mean? Just get it. You already know what to do, man. KingYT again, up in the bitch.
Let go.